Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Telegram mining bots. These bots offer a convenient way to mine cryptocurrency within Telegram. Stay tuned as we count down the top Telegram mining bots you need to know. We'll break down their features, advantages, and drawbacks. So grab your pickaxe, fire up Telegram, and let's get mining. First up, we have Bot A, a great entry-level bot for Telegram mining. This bot is all about ease of use, featuring a simple and intuitive interface. It offers various mining modes to suit your risk tolerance. Plus, its integrated withdrawal system ensures you receive your crypto without a hitch. Next, we have Bot B, a bot that takes the hassle out of mining with its unique automated features. Bot B is all about efficiency, allowing you to set preferences and let the bot do the heavy lifting. It even features automated withdrawals, ensuring you receive earnings without lifting a finger. Bot C is a powerhouse in the Telegram mining world, known for its high hash rates and earning potential. With advanced mining algorithms and access to many mining pools, Bot C delivers exceptional results. It boasts a user-friendly interface, accessible to miners of all levels. Bot D stands out with its extensive suite of features to enhance your mining experience. From advanced analytics and performance tracking to customizable settings and a built-in referral program. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for Telegram mining, equipping you with all the tools to succeed. Bot E has earned a reputation as a community favorite, thanks to its user-friendly approach and consistent performance. This bot builds a positive and supportive mining community, offering a Telegram group where users can connect and share tips. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your mining journey, Bot E provides a welcoming environment to maximize earnings. Bot F boasts a massive global user base, connecting miners from all corners of the world. Its strength lies in its diverse community and multilingual support, making it accessible to many users. Bot F creates a truly global mining experience. Bot G is designed for those who demand the best, offering high-performance mining capabilities that push Telegram mining limits. With advanced algorithms and optimized pools, Bot G unlocks the full potential of your mining efforts. Bot H lets its results do the talking. This bot has a proven track record of delivering consistent and reliable mining performance, consistently backed by positive user reviews. Bot I leads Telegram mining innovation, pushing boundaries with new features and cutting-edge tech. Its unique algorithms and gamified rewards keep things fresh and exciting for miners. Bot J strikes the perfect balance between simplicity and efficiency, offering a streamlined mining experience that's both powerful and easy to use. With its straightforward setup process and clear earnings breakdown, Bot J makes cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone. Bot K is all about efficiency, designed to squeeze every last Satoshi out of your mining efforts. From automatically selecting the most profitable mining pools to dynamically adjusting your hash rate, Bot K handles all the technical details seamlessly. Bot L proves mining isn't intimidating, even for beginners. This bot has one of the most user-friendly interfaces in the Telegram mining world, making it easy to navigate and understand. In mining, reliability is key, and Bot M shines. This bot is known for rock-solid uptime and consistent performance, ensuring you never miss a beat. Bot N goes the extra mile to provide exceptional user support, with a dedicated team ready to answer your questions. This ensures a smooth and hassle-free mining experience. Last but not least, we have Bot O, a bot that truly offers the complete package. This bot excels in all areas, from its user-friendly interface and robust mining capabilities to its dedicated support team and active community engagement. And there you have it, our top 15 picks for the best Telegram mining bots. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments which Telegram mining bot you think is the best. Happy mining!